Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna be opening a PokéBall E22 2023, I think it is. So this is sorry. This is what you call it? It's like D-roll or something like that. So we got 3 packs and a coin. And we got 3 packs. They got Obsidian Flame, Scarlet Violet, and Scarlet Violet. 2 Scarlet Violet, no 3 of them. Let's see what's the price on it. Let's go. Basic Energy, Stondile, Marek, Silly Cobra, V-Chart, Staraptor, Electric Generator, U-Trio, Speedwagon's Hollow, Tulip Hollow, Miradon. This is Scarlet Violet, another Scarlet Violet. Come on, baby, give me a good pull. Energy, Lechon, Starly, Watrail, Krokorok, Arvin, Archer, Natona, and nothing. Koraidon. Very nice Koraidon. Right. Obsidian Flames. Obsidian Flames. Basic Energy, Lipstick, Odino, Charmander, Dratini, Sarina, Lock and Rock, Probopass, Diglett, Palafin. Whoa, beautiful. Palafin and Popma EX. Beautiful. Nice. This is a Obsidian Flame. Look at this Palafin, how it looks. Wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful Palafin. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. And also, please, if you can share it to your friend, I would appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.